Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Freeyond M6 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock, enter and the screen lock to confirm, and tap on the fingerprint. Here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so what you can do, etc. I highly recommend to read it and tap on I agree. And now we've got the instructions, what we have to do. So we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the power button of this device. So let me put my finger on it, and right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Oh no, that was a misclick. I have to do it again, so let me do it quickly. Okay. Sorry for that. So as you can see, you have to be really careful. Alright, we've finally added the fingerprint, so let's tap on done. This is our fingerprint we just added. We can rename it just by tapping on it or remove it or add another fingerprint. Let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me lock it, and as we can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.